You're at Father Fish. Nice to have you with us.
The question of how long can a fish live in a tank with no power, if it's one small fish in one big tank and the ambient temperature is acceptable and there are no other things in the tank that are depriving it of oxygen, then he can live in that tank indefinitely. The issue is how much oxygen is being used and whether it exceeds the ability of the tank to assimilate oxygen and release carbon dioxide. That generally is a function of what's going on at the surface. CO2 rises in the water column, so it'll dissipate into the air, and O2, oxygen, is dissolved at the surface and is brought down into the water column. The real issue is not aeration. The real issue is water movement. So if you have a lot of fish in there, very nice. Mary, if you have a lot of, excuse me, a lot of fish in your tank, what you need is to either remove some of them or you need agitation. If you put your hand in the water and move it around and keep moving the water, then you're going to be improving the O2 CO2 exchange. And that's the key to it, that oxygen CO2 exchange is what keeps the fish alive. If it's just one or two fish, it really doesn't matter, because it'll carry itself. If it's a lot of fish, then you need to get some of those fish out of there, reduce the pressure on the tank, get some kind of just, stand there all day moving the water with your hand, whatever it takes. But you need to reduce the O2.
Well, I hope you found something you've never seen before. Have a great day. Nice to have you with us. Come on back.